So Yamuna flows for about 1370 kilometers from its source. Where does it start? You guys remember?
We are at Sonia Vihar right now, which is considered as the starting point of Yamuna in Delhi, and this is relatively cleaner than the other parts of Yamuna which run through Delhi. And within just 2 to 3 kilometers, the river will turn more polluted than it is right now.
A sample of Yamuna water over here. We think that this is clean, but in fact it is not. Whereas when we go to Najafgarh Canal, which was Sahibi River before, it is clearly jet black.
As you can see, the Yamuna is cleaner over here, but the waste deposits over the land.
The river has actually changed drastically over the years due to human actions, and honestly there is a lot of non-biodegradable waste.
Some can be spiritual waste and plastic bottles, etc.
I am really astonished to see what the place looks like. I was hoping this would be the view of Najafgarh Nala, not like here.
In the river we can see a bit of aquatic life, and even many migratory birds come here. People early morning come here for fishing.
It's used for agricultural purposes like source of irrigation.
We learned how a river which was so sacred and so clean and was such a beautiful river is now considered a dead river, and how polluted it is.
And I'm glad to see that there is a part of Yamuna that is still alive.
We have studied about this river a lot of times in our class and in our textbooks, but now when we got this hands-on experience on being actually at Sonia Vihar, it was a really great experience, as the river was way more cleaner as we have studied.
I think we all should take the responsibility of cleaning it up and save the environment and save the Yamuna river.
यमुना को बना दिया है नाला, कैसी है हमारी शान, फिर भी कहते हैं